Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear data on the application of Microsoft Teams weekly on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about Microsoft Teams and you click here in this page. Then this window of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In this page you will go to Play Store and then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.